Welcome back. Let's get a quick handle on what's happening in the technical, in the technicals of the market. By the way, a couple of stocks are pulling back quite a bit. Voltas, despite a very weak set of numbers, the stock is actually at the high point of trade. So there's definitely some buy on dips that you're seeing. And many other stocks, all the Adani Group stocks, whether it's Adani Wilmar, Ambuja Cements, a lot of the cement names are now in the green. Adani Ports is in the green as well, up almost about 2%. So this market is definitely looking for opportunities to buy. Mitessh Thakkar is joining in. Mitessh, would you recommend this buy on dip strategy for the rest of the day on the index? And what about individual stocks? What are you looking at?
Yeah, we're not reading the index, because one, I think, is range bound and not giving any directional bias. So, we had a breakout yesterday about 17,850 that got sold into. We had a gap down today that got bought into. So it's still a contracting market. You might want to take a trade, if you get it closer to about 17,750. But that's about it. Broadly, it looks like 17,750 to about 18,000 as the range. Having said that, on the stock side, I think a lot of action is happening. And Iron Exchange is something which has just hit a fresh high. I was tracking the stock a few minutes back. I think there was a big breakout happening. That's a buy with a stop at 30.40 and a target of around 3,300 on the upside can be looked at. And the other stock is a buy on Maruti, where the intraday charts have kind of turned positive. So keep a stop below 88.25 here and a target of around 89.40 on the upside can be looked at.
Mitessh, yesterday you were suggesting going long on many of these IT names, some of the IT names. Today we've seen a bit of a setback, a correction in large cap and mid cap IT names. What would be the trading call now?
I maintain a very positive bias on the IT stocks, and I think while today is a subdued day, I think these stocks have hardly lost ground from the higher levels. In fact, even from current levels, I think Oracle Finance looks like a stock which is starting a new trend, and once we see 32.20, 32.25 taken out, I'm penciling in targets of around 3,400 over here. I had a buy on Infosys today in the morning. It's been quiet. It's just trading 0.1% down, but I think the stock is heading towards 1660 plus level. So very positive stance on IT stocks. In fact, in case you get a market dip, if you're not buying the index, I think I'll be very comfortable recommending going long on IT names.
Got that. Thank you very much for joining in. Look forward to chatting later on in the day. Get into a break. Up next, we'll invite Nagesh Basavanhalli, the Group MD and CEO of Greaves Cotton, on the show now.